Bedridden patients suffer from bed sores and ulcers, which disrupts their sleep, and bad mattresses make the problem worse. To help the bedridden patients sleep well, Amkay brings to you an air pump mattress that gives them the soothing sleep they need. It comes with non-toxic PVC, aluminum motor cover, adjustable pressure system with low temperature and low vibration. Now let's see how it works. Unroll the mattress and position it on bed. Hang the compressor pump at the end of the bed using hooks. Connect the mattress feed pipes to the compressor and give the electric supply. Turn on the compressor and wait until the mattress has been fully inflated. Now say bye to the discomforting sleepless nights with Amkay's Air Pump Mattress. This product is also available on Amazon, Flipkart, other online portals and medical stores near you.